Hello and welcome to one of our beautiful, beautiful listings over here on Lake Drive in Taylor. This house just keeps on going and going and going. Oh, there's so much storage. So I'm just gonna walk you around on this side. It is a very large house. And look at this closet in the kids' room. It has so much storage space, it's unreal. And plantation shutters. Isn't this cute? Real hardwood floors. So we're gonna go. Here's the kids' bathroom. And here is the other. These rooms are enormous. They have such an amazing size. There is so much closet space. All of these right here are nice big closets. Big. And of course there is my husband, who I told not to do that while I'm making my video. Just ignore him. Look at this master bedroom with crown molding. And it's got the old original clawfoot tub. Isn't that gorgeous? You like to sit in there with a glass of wine and enjoy yourself and just relax after a long, hard day's work. Walk-in shower. And this outside, which I'll show you in a minute, has separate guest quarters back there. And that yard is just enormous. But let me get you on over to the other part of the house. Oh, the kitchen is ultra fabulous in this house. Look at all the detail with the molding and everything else. So here is the living room with built-in shelves. And goes open into a little coffee bar area. This is a separate living room. And there is the dining room. And it's just got a pass-through right here. Like I said, family room, TV room, sitting room. And look at this kitchen. The granite countertops and the just gorgeous stainless steel appliances. Like I said, it's just got so much storage. Storage everywhere. And keeps on going and going. This would be the office, and the dry bar entertaining area, what have you. It goes around into another little separate private office if you wanted to work from home. And let's go back over here. Look at all that molding. It's just so fabulous. I love these houses. Now there is another bathroom over here with a full shower. Handicap equipped. So you could basically put a pool out there and call this a pool house. Oh, and look, another big old suite. And I think she has it set up as a meditation room. This house just keeps on going and going and going. It's ultra fabulous. So let me walk you outside here if I can get out through here. Every door has access to this yard, which is absolutely amazing. Entertainer's dream come true. Look at this. You see yourself out on this deck barbecuing and having your friends over and having a glass of wine or a beer or your choice. Coca-Cola if you want. Palm trees and the kids slide over there. It's huge. And this is an extra workshop. Or it could be a guest room or whatever, multi-purpose room. And I don't have the... Oh, it's open, yay. So it looks like they had a little TV room thing going on here. And let me see if the other two are open. It's all brick and sturdy. So this could be a guest house. They were working on it being a guest house / workshop / you choose. And one more. It's got plumbing. So this looks like this was a potting shed out here. So you bring your plants in and you don't lose them during the winter. Isn't this fabulous? anybody's interested in seeing it, my number is 512-789-2210. And once again, it's Maureen Rooker, and I'm the broker owner of Remax Vision in Hutto, www.huttorealty.com. Give us a call. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a bunch.